Learning outcomes. After watching this video, you will be able to solve the numericals based on Bohr's atomic model, line spectrum of atom, de Broglie's equation, Heisenberg's principle, questions based on quantum numbers.
Numerical based on structure of atom. So first numerical is based on Bohr's atomic model. What is the energy associated with the fifth orbit of hydrogen atom? So formula for the energy of orbit given by Bohr is E is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to power minus 18 z square by n square joule. Because this is hydrogen atom, for it z is equal to 1 and for fifth orbit n is equal to 5. Putting the value of these two in the formula, because it is square, so 5 into 5. Calculating this value, we will get the answer 8.72 into 10 raised to power minus 20 joule. Next numerical based on Bohr's atomic model. Calculate the radius of Bohr's second orbit for hydrogen atom. So what is the formula for the radius of the orbit? R is equal to 52.9 n square by z picometer. The value of n here is 2 because it is given second orbit, and for hydrogen atom z is equal to 1. Putting these values in the formula, R is equal to 52.9, n is 2, its square divided by 1. By calculating this, the result is 211.6 picometer. So the radius of Bohr's second orbit for hydrogen atom is 211.6 picometer. Question number 3. This is based on line spectrum of hydrogen atom. Calculate the wave number for the longest wavelength transition in the Balmer series of atomic hydrogen. Balmer series and longest wavelength. The formula for wave number is equal to 1.09 into 10 raised to power 7 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. This is Balmer series. Electron is due to Balmer series, the value of n1 is 2 and longest wavelength indicates that n2 is equal to 3. So nu bar is equal to 1.09 into 10 raised to power 7 2 square 3 square. This is in meter inverse. By calculating this, we will get the result meter inverse. So the wave number for the longest wavelength transition in the Balmer series of atomic hydrogen is 1.51 into 10 raised to power 6 meter inverse. Next question or numerical is based on de Broglie's equation. If the velocity of the electron in microscope is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second, calculate de Broglie's wavelength associated with this electron. So formula for this is lambda is equal to h upon mv. The value of h is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule into second. This is Planck's constant. Mass of electron is constant value, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram, and velocity is given to us, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. Putting these values in the formula, by calculating this plus 25, the result is 4.532 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. So the wavelength associated with the electron is 4.532 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. This is the answer. Next question is based on Heisenberg's principle. A golf ball has a mass of 40 gram and a speed of 45 meter per second. If the speed can be measured within accuracy of 2%, calculate the uncertainty in the position. So formula for Heisenberg uncertainty principle is delta x into delta p is equal to h over 4 pi. This is uncertainty in momentum. So we can write this formula as delta x into m delta v is equal to h over 4 pi. Mass given is 40 gram. Converting this to SI unit, 40 into 10 raised to a minus 3 kilogram. Velocity is given 45 meter per second, and due to uncertainty, delta V is equal to 45 into 2 by 100 because of the 2% uncertainty. This is 0.9, and the value of H is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule into seconds. Putting all these value in this formula, value of pi is 3.14, mass given is 40 into 10 raised to power minus 3, and delta V is 0.9. Calculating this, the result is 1.46 into 10 raised to power minus 33 meter. So this is the uncertainty in the position of that golf ball. Next question is based on quantum number. The quantum number of 6 electrons are given below. Arrange them in order of increasing energies if any of these combination has or have the same energy list. So first we should know how to find the energy. Energy of orbital is determined by n plus L value. Lower the value of n plus L, lesser is the energy of that orbit. So for first set of quantum number, the value of n is 4, L is 2, so this is 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 1, again 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So the minimum energy is for this orbital. These all have n plus L 5. So if two or more orbitals having same value of n plus L, in that case we consider the value of n. Lesser the value of n, lesser is the energy of the orbital. For this 5, n is 3, for this n is 3. So these two orbitals are having same value of n and L. So these two orbitals are having same energy. So 2 is equal to 4. Coming to the next, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 1 5. For these two orbitals and n and L both are same. So for these two the energy is same but greater than the second orbit and fourth orbit, that is third and sixth. The only left value is 6. So 6 is greater than 5 and 4. So the energy of this first set of quantum number is maximum. So this is the increasing order of energies of the orbitals given. Next question, again based on quantum numbers. Using SPD notations, describe the orbital with the following quantum number. If it is n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, so the orbital is 1. For L is equal to 0, it is orbital S. N is 3, L is 1, so orbital is 3p. N4, L2 means orbital is D. N4, L3 indicates there is F orbital. Next question based on quantum numbers. How many subshells are associated with n is equal to 4? So for shell 4 means that shell is n shell. So the number of subshells means the value of n for any shell is equal to the number of principal quantum numbers. So the values of L is equal to 4, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So there are S, P, D and F subshells present in this shell. So total 4 subshells are associated with n is equal to 4. How many electrons will be present in the subshell having ms value of -2 for n is equal to 4? So again question for shell number 4, that is n shell. So the maximum electrons for this shell is 2n square, that is equal to 2 into 4 square, that is 32 electrons. These electrons will have opposite spin, so 16 electrons will have plus half spin quantum number and 16 electrons will have minus half spin electronic. So 16 electron will have minus half value of spin quantum number. So 16 electrons will be present in the subshells having ms value of -2 for n is equal to 4.